welcome to my second video. Hope you guys at least watched the first one. Well, on this video, on this episode, I will install this Powerline 2000. My idea is installing this to my router in my bedroom. This is a one-bedroom apartment, but then moving it to my PlayStation and my ROG Ally in front of my TV here, so I won't have to deal with Wi-Fi. Because sometimes my friend comes over, his PlayStation is still here in my living room, and apparently routers are the problem when you connect two PlayStations on them, thumb routers, and they think there's a mistake going on and they just keeps disconnecting one of the PlayStations or both of them from time to time. So I'm gonna connect mine to an Ethernet and he will still be using the Wi-Fi. That is the idea. And let's get on it. Okay, let's unbox this first. I got this thing secondhand. I'm cheap. Where is it? And how do you open this? Here it is. Yep. I got this thing secondhand for, I don't know how much, like 15? Yeah. Oh, sorry. Nice. So this is what we have, and that's the power line we have. I'm gonna unplug the Wi-Fi now. That's not gonna be fun. Okay, let's unplug this. I don't even need this. And plug this here. Okay. And, oh, it came with an Ethernet cable. Nice. We don't need that Ethernet cable, do we? Yeah, we don't. Let's unplug this from my Docker. This is not even mine. This is from the university. I also work there as a research assistant, so they gave me this monitors that I use and the laptop. Actually, let's go and look here. Wow, I forgot how hard this to do things with one hand. Okay. This is the idea. Nice. Wait. Let's plug back the Wi-Fi. Oh, I forgot I even unplugged my printer over there. Yeah, everything I have is connected. Can you shut up, please? This needs a software update. Everything I have connected to this, actually, this and this to this. I can actually, smart way is actually removing some stuff from this and connecting directly on this, but I'm not smart. I just know the smart ways. Okay, that should be set up there. Now we will go do the same in the living room with this one. Okay, I'm behind my TV now. Ow. There's a basketball on my ass. Again, unplugged everything. Actually, what am I doing? I'm using one hand. Oh, sorry. I don't want to show you my foot. I'm not lefty, so bear with me. Yes. This goes in there and this goes in this. Yep. Hopefully, everything will be, thing will be golden. I think it'll be easier if I plug this to my PC to troubleshoot before plugging to PlayStation. Hey, I'm finally done. I connected everything to the outlets, and it took me, I don't know, 15 more minutes to figure out how to make them run. There's a button underneath that you need to hold for 10 seconds to factory reset, which that's what I did first because these are secondhand, so I assumed they would need a factory reset. Then again, you hold the 2 seconds, the same buttons to sync. I did that several times, which didn't work. and my computer didn't connect, which is connected to my SI is connected to my TV right now. Did not connect, and I did the same thing over and over again until it connects, which didn't work. And apparently, all I needed to do was restart my Asus, my computer. Once I did that, it worked. Let me show you. Okay. As you can see, this is my Samsung TV, which is a 65-inch Samsung Tizen TV. If you wonder which model is this, let me know, because I do not recommend this TV at all. Don't buy it. It only has 2 HDMI cables. One of them is ARC for the soundbar underneath, which is actually not just soundbar. I had the woofers and the side ones over there. And the other one is just one HDMI, which is why I have an HDMI switcher right over there to connect everything I have. But as you can see, we have an Ethernet now, which is, I can turn this off. Yep. And let's do a speed test. Let's do a guest mode. What? This is awful. This thing's supposed to support gigabit. Wow, this is awful. This thing's supposed to support gigabit. That's what it said. That's awful. Well, that's it though. It works. So, and well, this is the model. If I'm mistaken, let me know. I'll do more research on this. I might actually change this. Well, once again, have a good day. See y'all. So, I just couldn't end the video because apparently this thing supports all the way up to 2 gigabits of internet, which I have a gigabit. But because this is a old apartment complex, so my power line does not apparently support anything more. If you look, it's actually giving me a 63 megabits at the moment, which is 10 times worse than the Wi-Fi. At least I was getting like 600-700s with the Wi-Fi. So, new idea. I'm gonna run a Cat 6 cable from my window to my balcony, from my balcony to my TV. That is the new idea. Yeah. Let's get on with it. So this is the cable, Cat 6 cable that I originally ran to my closet here for my network switches. So now I'm thinking I can move this to my living room and use smaller network switches behind it too. I hate you so much right now, Netgear. Yeah, that's the idea. I'm gonna use. Well, at least it gives me an excuse to use these Ugreens 5-port gigabit Ethernet switch. I think I got each of these for like $15 or $20 or something like that. Yeah, original idea was splitting the Powerline switches, which worked really well, as you can see. Well, let's see, what is this? It's a 1-bedroom apartment, that's why I'm unboxing this on my stove, because everywhere is fit, as you can see. And I'm doing a really good job with one hand. I'm not a drug addict. Those are just supplements. Let's see, what's this? Yay, this is the switch. And this is the power plug. Yep, this is the power plug. This is actually cute. I liked it. Can you focus on this, please? Designed by Ugreen. Thanks, Ugreen. This is super nice. Oh, my hands are sweaty. Arms weak. Okay. Okay, give me a second to move that Ethernet cable from there to this, from this window to this balcony. And oh shit, this side does not open. That was the idea. Fuck. So from there it'll come behind this, like this, and here. Oops, let me show you again. Sorry. It'll come from there, move behind the curtain, hopefully, and behind this jibber jab, and here. And I'm gonna get rid of that because 50 megabit is a joke. Okay, see you in a second. Sorry for the sucks. Hey, hello again, and let me show you what I've done. So I ran the cable through the balcony. Let me actually show you the balcony. It's my friend's bike. He's gonna pick it up hopefully someday. And it comes like this. And the problem with this right now, these holes don't line up, so it's not as secure. So I might need to make a channel there, down there somehow to flush the door. This is the cable. This is the useless Netgear now, and this is Ugreen. Don't worry, I'll cable manage this, hopefully. And Fire TV can't, no, shut up Fire TV. Sorry Fire TV. Yes, now we have the Ethernet. Sad part about this is I could have done this long ago. I waited for that Netgear thing for 2 weeks. Now this is a lot better. A lot better. Yeah, it's a lot better. I guess I should mark my IP there, right? Yeah. Shut up. Nice. This is what I wanted to see. Well, thank you for hanging out with me and through this painful, stupid Netgear Powerline journey. If anyone knows a fix or tell me what I did wrong, please let me know, because I really want to use that thing. I really don't want to run cables. But right now, that's the best solution that I was able to find. Now I need another Ethernet cable for my server cabinet, which is nice. Yeah, which is really good. Well, thanks again, and this is the second video that you might actually never see. Ciao.